bunch of grasses along leafy paths. I'm sure you can hear how crisp and dry they are. I know it's a sunny day, but even if it was raining, these would still be dry enough for a tinder bundle, and they make an excellent centre for your core. Whether it be in the bird's nest or the torch. And it doesn't take long to get a really nice core of these. And when you put your ember in there, that's going to go up in flames in seconds. So I'll be picturing a few of these.